Dear Logan, today feels like one of those moments you'll look back on and smile. 100 subscribers. It might not seem like a lot to some people, but to you, this means everything. Remember when you uploaded that first video, not really knowing what to expect, just hoping someone out there would notice? Well, they did. And now, here we are. 100 people. 100 real, awesome people who chose to be part of this journey with you. I never thought I'd say this, but every single view, comment, like, and subscription has genuinely impacted me. It's wild to think that what started as just a passion project has grown into a little community. And to be honest, this whole thing has taught me a lot about patience, creativity, and most of all, gratitude. To all 100 of you, thank you. You're not just numbers, you're people who've taken the time to watch and support. You've shown me that my ideas are worth sharing, and for that, I can't thank you enough. I have so many more ideas and videos planned, and honestly, I'm just getting started. This isn't just a milestone. It's a reminder that progress is real, even when it feels small. And if I could tell myself one thing, keep going, keep learning, and keep trusting the process because this is only the beginning. So, to everyone watching, thanks for being part of this. Let's see where this journey takes us next. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.